Look at this fan. This used to be a beautiful copper looking fan, and I thought it was real copper. Turns out it's metal and it's rusted to the point where it looks horrendous. So this is a good fan. It's a quality fan. It's Wi-Fi. It's got all kinds of different gadgets and different things we can do with it. You know, dimmering it all through your phone and the convenience of new technology. But this fan here was like almost 300 bucks when I first bought it. It's a few years old, but still, you know. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, I want to take the little glass, the cover for the where the light is, so I can paint. Hey, honey, look who's here to help.
Hello.
I told you guys she's always behind the scene. Well, today, look, she's here in front of the scene, so she's gonna give me a hand. Honey, do me a favor. Uh, Undo this like counterclockwise. I'm gonna hold the metal. Take both hands and go that way. Go. Okay. So
Kind of difficult.
yeah, it's kind of. I think the rust is holding it here
Mm-hmm.
because this is like counterclockwise, and it comes off. But I don't want to break the glass because if I break that, then we're not going to be able to do this because I'm not going to keep that up there without the glass in. It is glass. It's not plastic.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to tape it up, sand, and just do it like that. So let me get the stuff ready.
Guys, we're gonna be using this some rag to clean, painter's tape. We're gonna use sandpaper. I guess it's 220, and some regular paint from Home Depot. In this case, it's very cheap, about three bucks. So
And lastly,
we're here.
after we prep and get ready to paint, right before you spray, I always use this on all the videos because you know you don't want to have grease and anything that's going to be oily substance on your surface where you're going to be painting. So use this stuff here, not the brand, but you want wax and grease remover. So this is awesome. This is something I always use. So let's go ahead and let's start doing this, honey.
Yep.
I'm going to tape up. The only thing here is we're out in the sun and I'm ready to melt already, and you
Yeah.
just started.
Very hot
So I'm gonna go ahead.
at this time.
I said earlier I would have taken this off, but it's a little challenging. You put that down, honey. A little challenging, and I don't want to break it. And then we're gonna have to throw this away because I don't think I can find this little dome right now because
But
huh, I don't think I'm gonna be able to find the dome. So
all right.
okay, I'm gonna put two just so we don't have uh, overspray on the dome. I think we're gonna be fine there, honey. Okay, so we're gonna sand, baby. You start sanding around here, and I'm gonna do the bottom. Here, do this one. Just sand around, and remember, we're gonna just scuff a little. This is not like the kind of project where you're gonna spend a lot of time on. You just want it to look better, so we're scuffing it so we can protect the metal, and we're gonna go ahead and just scuff it and spray it. I'm gonna put like 3 coats just because the paint that we're using is not like quality paint. Remember, we're not going crazy with this. A little scuff, get the rust. She actually told me, baby, I think we need to buy a fan. I said, honey, that fan, it's actually a very good quality fan. When I originally bought it, I thought it was copper, real copper. And I said, wow, that's going to look nice. You know, the copper look where it starts getting a little greenish. And I like that. I like the patina of copper when it starts oxidizing.
Yep.
Baby, shake this up here while I get this ready. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, get ready. I just dripped a little bit of this on my lawn. I'm not happy with that. But you know, I don't want to do this I don't want to do this underneath the cover and get all the overspray. Okay, so we're taking all the wax remover does what it says, wax and oil grease remover. Self-explanatory.
Mm-hmm.
More? Here, let me get that. Okay,
Can do this. Can do this.
she's doing that. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put a light coat. The first one is always a light coat, you know, do the strokes back and forth slowly. I'm gonna go ahead for the sake of not getting the blades all dirty with overspray. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna, I don't wanna waste, here, I don't wanna waste paper, and I'm gonna do this just for the sake of overspray. See? And that's it. Okay, honey. So let's go with the first coat. Like I said, small, light coat, light coats. And this is going to protect the metal. And for some reason, I don't know why, black is always good with rust, you know? White is like the worst. You know, you get a little surface rust and it works really bad. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom a little. Here, move this back, honey. Move it back. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom. See, honey, we don't have to spend a couple of $100 to get a fan. Now, let me tell you, this fan, as far as performance, it does great. Very quiet. You don't hardly hear it. I've mentioned it's Wi-Fi, so you can operate this thing from anywhere. You could be on vacation, and you can go ahead and turn it off, on. And we got a dog, so you know, Max, he's a German Shepherd, heavy coat, and the fan's always 24/7. I don't turn it off, but there are times in Miami where it gets cold, and even though for a German Shepherd that's not really cold,
Mm-hmm.
we turn it off sometimes. Let's do the second coat. This paint is Home Depot. My wife said how much it costs is like $3, give or take. Can you buy more expensive paint? Yeah, and that's a preference. Whatever you guys want to do. Me, I'll put a few coats. If it lasts another few years, I'm happy. By then, we might want to change it anyway. So at that point, doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and put our second coat. This one I do a little heavier just for the sake of getting nice and coverage. And that's it. Now that's the second coat, and I'm going to come back and we're going to hit the third coat.
Um, it's gonna go better with all the things that we have.
True.
We have everything black and white,
True.
so I guess
Yeah.
it's gonna go better than it was before.
You know, there's something about when you do little projects like this, it's not the one project, it's many little projects coming together. We've been doing a lot of stuff around the house. Like you guys could imagine when we started this channel. Here, get close, baby. You're out there. I know she's not, doesn't want to breathe this stuff, but when we first started this channel, here, get in the, when we first started this channel, it was about buying we wanted to buy a house on the West Coast for boating purposes and all that. It's still there. Our dream is still there, but we've made a decision that that's right now. It's not the moment because everything's so crazy. The interest rate is high, and we're in a different place right now. So even though this is what the channel was really intended to be, we've taken it to a next level and said to ourselves, we want to cover different things while we make our house nicer as far as, you know,
Mm-hmm.
practical, but at the same time, we want to enjoy our home. So we've been doing a lot of projects around the house. You know, my wife has been doing a lot of stuff, and then she gives me a list of honeydew things, and here we are. But she does help me a lot. She's always there. If it's not right now, like doing this, it's in the back of the, you know, behind the scene. So we're happy together doing all this stuff for the sake of, you know, making our house look nice. So
Yeah.
hey, we're gonna do our last coat, guys. So far, it's covered really well. And do you like the way it looks?
Yeah, absolutely.
It looks nice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So let's go give it our final coat. This one, I like to put it in really heavy, almost where I like to see a high gloss. The third coat is always like the high gloss. The fact that it's tacky at this point, it's not going to drip because it's tacky. Tacky means like if it's got glue, a little tacky. The third coat gives it a nice gloss. I'm going to go ahead, take the top off now and put it here. Put it here.
Mm-hmm. I guess we have another project coming up.
What do you mean?
Yep.
What? Don't look for stuff. What? What is it?
We have to show our
Show
friends
what?
that
Look at her.
We have to repair this,
Baby.
and it has to be ready by winter time.
You see, she finds stuff to do. But I gotta admit, that looks bad. I don't know what to do there, but hey, let's leave that for another day, honey. Let's finish this.
Yeah.
Honey, is it dry?
Let's check this out. Yep. Yep.
Well, it's been drying for an hour. It should be really dry. And this paint, guys, it dries fast, so it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and put her up, okay? What do you think, babe? Okay, folks. The good thing about this fan, and these are the fans, far and few, that make it easy for the installer. Look what they did. They added a cable, and what this cable does, which is awesome, and hold me, baby. What this does is there's a little hook, and you can put it there and let her hang while you do all the connections. Baby, hang me the screwdriver in that box.
Hold yourself.
Okay, hold on. Let me go back a little. Okay, let me have the box. Let me have that box over there. So that's one of the features about this fan that I like a lot, because if you have to service the fan, you don't have to worry about, you know, doing all the lifting, you know. So the ground's there. I'm just going to go ahead. Okay. And the other thing is there's a set screw with a little slot. So you just place it, turn it just a bit, and it hangs there. And then you can come back and do the other two screws. Oops. So let's do this.
I got you, my husband.
I got you too, honey.
I got you always. I got you.
So we're going to go ahead and do these two here first. I'm going to go up here. Hide this baby inside. Turn her just a bit. And just like that.
Oh my God. How beautiful.
Look how quick that was. So baby, go ahead. Let's do your thing, honey. Here.
Absolutely love it. Thank you guys for always watching our videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. God bless.
Thank you guys. God bless you.